Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Just launched your store or coming back to manage it? Here's how to log into your Shopify store in under 2 minutes. First of all, go to shopify.com. This is the official login page for all Shopify stores. Then enter your email and password. Then click start free trial or get started. Now click skip customer setup. Then enter password again. Then log in. Then skip. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your phone or email. If you have more than one store, select the one you want to manage. You will then be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Forget your password. Just click forget password and follow the instructions to reset it, and you are back. That's how to log into your Shopify store. Quick, simple. Don't forget to bookmark your admin page for easy access.